Hello everyone, my name is Ki-sul Chang, the President of Korea Association of University Technology Transfer Management. First of all, I am very honored to join in a precious occasion, the first TechTite event. I hope that TechTite will develop as the only global technology marketing event in Korea. KAUTM will also put an effort to cooperate for this event. In this presentation, I will introduce about the KAUTM history and the key milestone of University Technology Transfer Office in Korea. And then I will tell you about the current status and examples of open innovation movement in Korea. The Korea University Technology Transfer Association was established in 2002. Currently, 83 universities are joined as KAUTM members. Member universities are divided by 4 regional-based branch offices. The business area of KAUTM is classified into 4 categories: networking, conference, educational courses, and book publishing. Especially, we hold the Technology Transfer Commercialization Conference in Korea every year. And this is the largest event with more than 600 participants. University TTOs in Korea have been growing rapidly for past 20 years. In 2000, like Bayh-Dole Act in US, Korea government has allowed universities to have a dedicated organization for technology transfer. TTOs began to be established at each of university. At the same time, the government prepared policies to promote technology transfer, commercialization, and implemented support projects. Through steady support for the past 20 years in relation to industry-university cooperation, IP management and technology transfer have become an important role for university. As a result, as you can see on this slide, patent application and registrations and royalty income also increased significantly. And those efforts also have become the basis of open innovation in Korea. This slide shows the recently innovation indicators related to South Korea. Korea ranked first in the world in the 2021 Bloomberg Innovation Index, thanks to patent activities and R&D investment. Patent activity was ranked second last year, but this year it moved to the top position. Despite internal and external difficult conditions, these results are attributed to the government and companies steadily expanding R&D investment. In the future, the role of universities will be important to achieve innovative growth in Korea. This slide is about how can TTOs collaborate with companies through open innovation in Korea. The Bridge Plus business of Ministry of Education is the representative open innovation model of Korean universities. Currently, 24 universities with outstanding industry university cooperation are executing in this project. Universities share business with companies and conduct technology convergence between universities. We are helping the university technology to develop innovative products that are needed in the marketplace, not just at the lab scale. This project is a representative industry-university cooperation program that cooperates with KAUTM closely. This slide is about region-based science and technology cluster as the global innovation index. the regional cluster is important to national innovative growth through open innovation. A result of analysis of 100 science and technology worldwide clusters, a total of 3 cases were ranked in South Korea, is Seoul, Daejeon, Busan. In Korea, as such a region-based cluster, one of the representative R&D cluster business is the Innopolis Plus project of the Ministry of Science and ICT. Innopolis Plus is a small but intensive special zone for commercializing science and technology through open innovation. Innopolis is a representative government-led regional cluster business complex where local universities, research institutes, and public institutions develop and collaborate on specific R&D. In Korea, there are 5 open innovation-based R&D clusters nationwide. In addition, there are 9 of regional-based open innovation clusters. Regional-based university is playing a role as a node university to perform open innovation in a region-specific industry. It is specialized in the field of ICT convergence materials, smart IT part of systems, aerospace part and materials, advanced new materials, medical care, etc. I am going to introduce that KAUTM is participating in 2 examples of open innovation. Interbiz Bio Partnering and Investment Forum is the largest pharmaceutical industry in the country that has been held since 2002 and is biological technology marketing event. The event offers technology transfer opportunities to university, research institute, and startups that are technology providers. And this event offers opportunity that match demand technology and find new business items to pharmaceutical companies, venture companies who are technology demander. In addition, it is developing into a specialized technology trading place in pharmaceutical biofield that can promote technology commercialization as the involvement of investors and consultants. Through this event, cooperation between domestic industry, academia, research, venture, and startup will continue. The second example is a technical briefing session with global company Samsung Electronics. This event is based on the technologies required by Samsung Electronics partners and matches the technology owned by university and government-affiliated research institute. This event was a representative example of open innovation by establishing technical information exchanges and industry academic cooperation process between public research institute and companies. The technology transfer commercialization of Korea universities has been growing for the past 20 years. Along with this, various players of technology commercialization in the government, private, university, and financial sectors are being organized and played their roles. The goal for the next 10 years is that technology transfer commercialization support organizations must design a common goal of open innovation by establishing a real partnership. It is important to establish a win-win structure in which the participating parties can coexist in area of the value chain for technology commercialization. And we hope that participation in TechTite will establish an open innovation cooperation network in which Korea universities will spread to the global market. Thank you for listening. Bye.